Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Stay Quirky minis that I recently got, which is a lipstick set of 12. So we're going to be reviewing it, and there is going to be swatches. And if you would want to know how the lipsticks look on me and how I feel about them, then all you have to do is keep watching this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And now, without any further ado, let me just get started with the quick mini reviews of the Stay Quirky minis. So getting started with the video, this is the outer packaging of the lipstick set. You get 12 lipsticks which retails for 399 rupees, and I really liked the story that they've put up on this thing on how Stay Quirky evolved. So let me read it out so that you also feel nice.
A group of uber chic, super skilled and totally badass scientists set out on a journey. #travel diaries. They had a profound and prolific proficiency in chemistry, too much English hashtag. They were looking to discover rare elements that would assist them in making the most kick-ass formulation. They crossed oceans, mountains, deserts, valleys, forests, and finally reached the world of Quirky. Breathing in the love and fashion that were there in the air, they started cooking in the ultra-futuristic labs. #state of the art. They mixed sugar, spice and everything nice. They purposely added the chemical Quirky to it. Hola! For the sassy, for the classy, for the fancy, Stay Quirky was born. #stay Quirky.
I really liked how they've put up this story in this. I really liked that. And also, yeah, talking too much about this, I'm just going to put it aside and show you how the packaging and the lipsticks look like. So this is how it looks. So you will have to open this up to see all the shades that you get in there. So there are totally 2 sets available. I got the kit number 2 because the set 1 or the kit 1 had monotonous shades. Set 2 had different shade ranges starting from browns, burgundy, purples, reds, pinks, peach and everything other than nude. So if you would want to have nude, then I think kit 1 might have it. I am not sure, but kit 2 had a lot of color range, so that's the reason I picked up kit number 2. And the names of these are like really nice. So let me just read out 1 or 2 for you so that you know what I really mean. This one is the full access granted one. Everything revolves around love and stuff. Okay, this one is the shamelessly horny lips, and this one is shut up and take me home. Stain the collar. Get drunk with me. And there are like really nice names. They have really put in some effort to name these lipsticks. This one is the Shut Up and Kiss Me Already. So the names of the shades are really nice. I'll anyways have the names down below when I show you the swatches. So talking about how this works, okay, so totally you get 12 lipsticks for 399, which I feel is a good buy for those who are in college or who doesn't really like investing more on makeup. I think this one kit or 2 of the kits all together would do the stuff. See, you get variety of shade ranges but on an affordable price point. Talking about the staying power, these are not transfer proof. As you guys can see, it transfers a bit, not a bit completely, so there is a lot of transfer going on, but don't complain because for 399 rupees you get such amazing color range, and also this stays on for quite a long time. But if you eat, this fades off, and this doesn't stay on your get into your fine lines of your lips. And also the removal of these lipsticks are really easy and comfortable. They don't tug your lips, and the application is also really very smooth and creamy. Altogether, I really love this kit from Stay Quirky, because Stay Quirky is not a brand that you get locally in any shop. So these are like good quality brand that has given you good quality product on affordable range, which has so much of color in it, which is a win-win situation for both of us. So if you are looking out for something like this, then I would highly recommend you guys to get your hands on this. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video, and also I will see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.